everyone. This is what I'm doing on a rainy day. I am taking some of my lazy saved seeds that I just let dry out. This is what this is. Where I got those seeds from. And I'm going to do that with this. I'm going to put it in one of these little Ziploc bags, wet it, and we'll see if they sprout. These I put in here about 3 days ago. These are mini bells from the store, and they've sprouted. So I figure these will probably sprout in a few days, I hope, because all of my my Fresno chilies I planted, I guess they stayed too wet or something, I don't know, but they died. So these are my jalapenos I saved from last year for seeds. So let's see how this goes.